Hey guys, Michael from Makita, and today I'm going to go through the features of our new 18-volt brushless 9mm power file, the DBS 180. Built with a high-powered brushless motor, providing performance equal to that of the 240-volt AC model. This highly efficient brushless motor produces impressive removal rates. When testing with a 5Ah battery and a 60 grit belt, we were able to remove up to 210 grams of timber material or 60 grams of steel on a single battery charge. The adjustable sanding arm pivots a full 160 degrees, ideal for positioning the arm in the most comfortable position for use and also for compact storage. Another little handy feature on this model is the LED job light can be manually adjusted to match the angle of the sanding arm or the shape of the workpiece. To ensure safety and efficiency when using the tool, the DBS 180 has been designed to prevent unexpected startup. The locking mechanism is automatically activated when the arm is lowered further than 90 degrees, preventing the trigger from engaging, causing damage to yourself or your equipment. While there's also an electric brake to minimise downtime between applications, rapidly bringing that belt to a stop. With a lock-on button for comfortable operation during periods of prolonged use and a variable speed control dial for the sander to provide versatility in use with both wood and steel materials. There's also a dust extraction port on the underside of the housing that can be connected to a dust extraction hose if required.
Pivot Force from GearWrench. Professional grade pliers that cut with 40% less effort than conventional pliers. Designed with an innovative pivoting action that produces maximum leverage, allowing automotive technicians to cut tough materials such as heavy gauge wire, cable, and CV boot clamps with less effort. For example, to cut hard steel wire, conventional pliers need an average of 60 pounds of pressure at the handle. The unique design of Pivot Force delivers a more efficient transition of power from the handle to the jaws, making the same cut with an average 35 pounds of force. With Pivot Force, automotive techs can make tough cuts easier, faster, and with better control. Hard-to-reach cuts can be made with far less strain and effort, even when access is limited by motor parts or hoses. Pivot Force is the tool pros will reach for to get the job done. Professional-grade dipped handles provide added comfort, are resistant to brake fluid, gasoline, and antifreeze, and are easy to wipe clean. Jaws on the Pivot Force long-nose plier feature a cross-check pattern to provide extra holding and twisting power. And, like all GearWrench products, Pivot Force is made to last. A durable, forged body and induction-hardened cutting edges meet or exceed applicable ASME performance requirements and will stand up cut after cut.
cutting, sanding, scraping, and grout removal without the cord. Introducing the versatile new 18-volt lithium-ion cordless multi-tool. It's available as a kit or as a bare tool. The versatile new multi-tool delivers power, convenience, precision, and comfort for a variety of applications in a more compact size. The Makita built motor delivers 6,000 to 20,000 oscillations per minute with a 3.2-degree oscillation angle engineered for faster cutting. You'll get corded speed and power without the cord. The Makita multi-tool has a small diameter barrel grip and weighs only 4.5 pounds. The star on your LXT tool and battery means they're equipped with Star Protection computer controls technology that protects your battery and tool for optimum performance. LXT also has the fastest charge time in the category, powered by a fast-charging LXT battery. It's part of Makita LXT, the world's largest 18-volt lithium-ion cordless tool lineup.
From the #1 rated brand of cordless outdoor power, introducing the new Ego Power Plus blower, the handheld blower with unmatched power. It generates 650 cubic feet of air per minute, delivering performance that exceeds the power of gas. Featuring Ego's patented 56-volt arc lithium battery technology, it runs for over 90 minutes on a single charge. The all-new Ego Power Plus blower, exclusively at Ego authorized dealers.
The OmniTable is a versatile 4-in-1 portable workstation, which easily transforms into a durable workbench, platform, creeper, and dolly. The portable lightweight design is easy to assemble, ideal for professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The robust steel framework is equipped with a reversible dual-sided surface. Simply unlock the hinges to flip the panel over for a solid laminated work surface or a non-slip high-impact plastic decking. The push-release buttons lock into place, making it easy to change to different modes. The laminated work surface includes measurement and protractor indicators to determine cuts without the use of a tape measure. A drill hole and hammer strip are also included to keep surfaces protected when drilling or hammering. As a workstation, it's ideal for using power tools, cutting timber, and many other activities on site or in the workshop. In the platform mode, the workstation is ideal for accessing all those hard-to-reach work areas. Equipped with 4 caster wheels, using the dolly mode, moving items is quick and easy, and includes traction clip cutouts to pull heavier items. In creeper mode, the smooth wheelbase makes it perfect for sliding under your vehicle to perform work on your car. This product is designed to optimize functionality, saving space. Due to its slim, compact design, it can be easily stored. The OmniTable holds up to 226 kilograms and transports easily with a heavy-duty carrying handle.